In this video, I will show you how to create a simple I-cord edging that is created as you knit. Today I'll be using Wool and the Gang's Shiny Happy Cotton in Cinnamon and a pair of 5mm knitting needles. Okay, let's get started. For this video, I've cast on 10 stitches. You will need to cast on the number of stitches specified in your pattern. The I-cord edging is worked over the first 3 stitches of your row and is worked over a 2-row repeat. So on a right side row, you create your edging by knitting 1 stitch. Then you need to bring the yarn between the needles to the front of your work and slip the next stitch purlwise. Then you will knit the next stitch. So these are the 3 stitches that are going to make our I-cord edging. For the rest of the row, you need to work in whatever pattern your instructions tell you to use. So I'm going to work in stocking stitch. Okay, so for the second row, I'm going to work up until those last 3 stitches in the stitch pattern. So I'm going to use stocking stitch. So now I'm at my last 3 stitches. This time I'm going to slip 1 stitch purlwise with the yarn in front, then knit the next stitch, and then bring the yarn to the front again and slip the last stitch. So I'm going to repeat those 2 rows a few more times. Knit 1 stitch. With the yarn in front, slip the next stitch purlwise, then knit the next stitch. Then work in whatever stitch pattern you're using to the end of the row. And then work in your stitch pattern until you have 3 stitches left. Then slip 1 stitch purlwise with the yarn in front, knit the next stitch, and then slip the last stitch purlwise with the yarn in front. You can see the edging starting to take shape. I'm going to work a few more rows until we can really see a defined edge. So now I've worked a few more repeats, you can see the I-cord edging starting to take shape. So there you go, that's how you create a 3-stitch I-cord edging. Thanks for watching.